We're gonna be doing a cheesy takoyaki recipe with you all with fried chicken on top of it and some spring onions and soy eggs. I think the stew is ready. We're gonna start cooking. First step in this recipe, I'm gonna put some butter inside the skillet. This is gonna be for your onion. Cut our onion up, give this a rough chop. This is basically gonna be your base. Coat them with the butter. We're gonna cut this garlic down. This is a good piece. There it goes, the one I wanted. Smash these. Peel the skin off, cut the butt ends off. Discard those, they're hard, nasty, don't want them. Mince your garlic. Chop it down real fine, as fine as you can. Add in this garlic, about the last 30 seconds to a minute of your onions cooking down, because they cook up real quick, you don't want to burn them. What are you doing? The onions are translucent. Garlic into this skillet, 30 seconds to a minute until it's fragrant. Salt. Garlic fragrant. I'm going to raise the temperature up a little bit and add some chicken broth. Deglaze the pan just a little bit. We're gonna take our rice cakes. I'm gonna go with 2 packs of these because we're hungry. My lady behind the camera, starving. Take us out, don't wanna die. Make sure they're all submerged in your liquid. Skillet these for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna start a frying pan in the back with vegetable oil for the chicken. We're setting up our dredge station for the chicken. Flour, panko crumbs, eggs. Don't forget to stir your takoyaki. You don't want them getting stuck on the bottom of your pan. To this panko mixture, I'm gonna add some seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper for some heat, black garlic, black peppercorn medley. Take this marinated chicken, dredge station. We're gonna do flour, egg, panko crumbs, and fry it. Butterfly this, the 2 cuts. Cut it crosswise in the nuggets. Add heavy cream to this. Bring this heavy cream to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you're gonna cut it down to a simmer. Reduce this heavy cream for about 5 minutes. Cut the heat on this, and we're gonna chop up some basil and parsley. Little Chicken Katsu supervising today. It's a good boy. That's my soup. Go right into this. This looks crazy already. I'm gonna add some seasonings, salt, garlic powder, touch of cayenne, sriracha sauce, however much you like. I'm gonna go a little crazy with it. Oyster sauce, I basically use this for a thickening agent. A little bit of black garlic. That color change is so pretty. Take a little bit of this. Main cheese is gonna be Parmesan. Quite a bit of this. Incorporate all that cheese onto the takoyaki. She's just excited about the rice cakes as I am. I know how much y'all absolutely love cats on the counter and everything, so we brought a dog in also. I hope y'all enjoy it. We're gonna plate this up. Green onions. We've been having these soy eggs in the marinade for about 24 hours now. This is about a 5 to 6 minute boil. These are perfect. Take our takoyaki, super cheesy. Soy eggs, I want all of these, so we're gonna talk about all of them. Spring onion. Go ahead and add the fried chicken nuggets on top of here. You're lying. Spring onion. This is the cheesy takoyaki with the soy eggs and the fried chicken. Until next time, we'll see y'all. Goodbye. Peace.